Once you hear it, you need to be sure that they are not in the zone. Now, once you start hearing tapping sounds, this usually signals a problem with your valve lifters, your timing chain, or an out of adjustment valve clearance. If these things I mentioned are the reasons why you are hearing tapping noises from your engine, the first thing you should do is to check your oil level. But if it's not a problem with your oil level, you check the timing components of that engine. Number 3 is the hissing sound. Now, if you hear a hissing sound coming from your engine, your first line of action is to look at your passenger seat and ensure that there is no nagging girlfriend hissing in your car.
Hey! Hey! Why are you running? Why are you running?
Now, if you have confirmed this, that hissing noise indicates a vacuum leak. And if that is the issue, what you should do is to